All right. Okay. I hope all of you are quick. Okay. One more minute and I'll start. Hope all of you are in. Okay. Should we start? All right. Quick, quick, quick. I'm gonna start. All right. Okay, the first question that we have for today is query sets allows you to read from the database, filter data, order data, all of the above. Great. Okay, the next one. Oh, Yusrana. Which command is used for creating a new object of post in database? Post.object create. Oh, I shouldn't read these. You should look at the spelling. Correct. You need capital P for post because it's a model and object with an S. Right, next one. Oh, Ayman is going up. Okay, query sets allow you to order the list of objects by using order, order by, order underscore by, none of the above. Awesome. This is a built-in function using the query sets, so it has to be written exactly that same way. Next one is which command should be used to get a list of all published posts? Okay. All right. I think a lot of you made a mistake on this one. We're actually trying to get a list of all published posts. And it depends on the published date. So if you have a date that's before, for example, today's date, that's why we use time zone now. It will, like if you use the command with that says post.object all, it will give you all of the posts regardless if it was, it has passed today's date or it hasn't passed today's date yet to be considered as published. Right, the next one. Query sets and views does not allow you to connect models and templates. All right. Okay, the correct answer is false because you cannot use query sets to connect models and templates. PK means that Django expects an integer value and it transfers to view as variable called PK. All right, it is correct. Through that, you can use it to iterate different posts with their primary key. Which of the following is the default layout of a Bootstrap form? This hasn't been mentioned, but if you've noticed, it's always, okay, let's see, what would you guess? Yep, it is vertical. It is from top to bottom. All right. What is the key components of Bootstrap? I think I've mentioned these a few times, maybe. All right. Okay, so you got all of the above. Amazing. Bootstrap is a library. It consists of many programming languages, and it's structured in a specific way that helps you to reuse its items. Okay. Is a type of layout in Bootstrap? Fluid layout, flexed layout, all of the above, none of the above. I might have mentioned Flexbox. So if you know, okay, let's see. All of the above. The final question, which of the following is used to display code in Bootstrap? Oh, this has not even been mentioned. Let's skip this if you want, but I'm already seeing people answering it. Okay, so it is the pre-tag. And the winners are Iskana at third place, Hiba at second place, and Hala Abu Harb at first place. All right, amazing. I think we'll be moving to the closing ceremony. Give us a few minutes. Thank you guys for participating in the quiz.
Everyone, if you have done the blog, the main blog page, please take a screenshot and send it through the chat or Slack channel. We will be posting. Actually, I'm interested in knowing the progress that you have done. So that would be a little bit fun. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So we'd like to start our closing ceremony. Thank you all for attending all of the session today and yesterday's session. It's been a pleasure for us to have held this workshop for you. I'm sure it's been 2 long days of extensive content and interesting topics. I'm hoping that all of you have been able to learn a lot from our instructors and our content that we've curated for you. And let's have a great applause for all of you and for your hard work. I hope that you've come out with a great product by the end of this workshop. We also would like to thank our sponsors, our strategic sponsors, KFAS, New, Al-Ahli, Bank, Deloitte, Munjiza, Mukankum. They've all been very supportive for our cause and have provided us with amazing support. We would like to have some words from our sponsors. So our first speaker would be, let's hear some words of encouragement by Dr. Layla Al-Musawi, Program Manager at KFAS.
We can't hear you, Dr. Layla. We still can't hear you.
Does that smell like corn? Do you need corn? You want to eat corn?
I think we're facing some technical difficulties. Dr. Layla, are you able to unmute? Oh, Dr. Layla will, I think, join us again in a few seconds. And we'd like to thank you all for attending our workshop for the past 2 days. It's been an amazing pleasure to host you all and to deliver all of this content for you. It's been, as we said, a really long 2 days, but I'm sure that you've been able to come out with some good results by the end of today's session, as well as we'd like to see all of your creations and your amazing results. Make sure to share them with us and to let us know what you've done. All right, we'll move on to the next speaker, our strategic partner, until Dr. Layla is able to join us again. So let's hear some words of encouragement by Mrs. Sahar Dashti, General Manager, Customer Protection and Managing the CSR.
Hi, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, great. First of all, congratulations to all the participants whom have attended the training and completed the training for the past 2 days. As you said, it looks like they were 2 long days, but I'm sure that everybody has benefited and they were 2 fruitful days. Hope all of you have enjoyed and gained new skills. This experience, I'm sure, had made you challenge yourself and learn to do things that you have never done before, all of you, the participants. And this by itself is an achievement. And at the same time, fun, I guess. I personally think that, learning new things keeps me motivated and alive and brings me really happiness. So hope all of you, or some of you at least, have felt the same way from your learning in these 2 days. As you know, that the long-term objective of this event is to give you an idea of how websites are created, seeing the code hands-on and how things are put together for a complete website in terms of not only the coding, but the design aspects and all what is involved for developing a website or an application. So this experience should have, added some sort of a new skill for you, so that if you have ever decided to have your own website or an application, or you wanted to use technology for your own business, you would have at least this experience and this skill. The theme of this event was pushing for equality. And AUB, which is Ahli United Bank, just to correct also, when you said Ahli Bank is one of our sponsors, we are Ahli United, not Ahli Bank. Just a small correction. Ahli United Bank is a strong believer of equality. And this is translated in seeing that 40% of our leadership team are from women, or are women. And our current acting CEO is a woman as well. So looking at technology and building applications and websites, and the whole objective of the training and the challenges, and linking it to COVID-19 situation, proves the significant need and convenience of technology in this pandemic, such pandemic. So this shows the importance of technology and confirms that the skills you have learned in these 2 days can be the steps to build on to enhance yourself and to position yourself in the world by offering in the future your services, building websites for people, applications, and using whatever skills you have learned in the future. The ability of making your own website will make you visible in this world, as technology is, always impacts positively everyone's future in every sector. And at last, I would like to end this fruitful event to wish you all the best. I'm so proud of you to take this challenge and in this situation to attend such training, and would like to encourage you to always do more challenges to yourself in technology if this is your passion. So all the best, inshallah. Very proud to be the strategic partner, and very proud to have people like you participating in such training. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sahar. Apologies on the mistake.
No problem.
Yes. It was a pleasure to have Al Ahli United Bank as our strategic partner. Thank you for your work. It's been a pleasure. Let's move to again Dr. Layla. Hopefully her mic works now. Please have go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, good evening all, and I'm really glad to be with you finally. I hope you had enjoyable time in coding. We at CAFAS are strong advocate of the 21st century and the fourth revolution skills, and this is why we sponsor this sort of activities. And this particular one is actually serving two different points of our mandates. One is disseminating science and technology and the focus on the new skills that are needed for the coming jobs that we don't know what they are. In the next 10 years, we really don't know what are the jobs, but what we know is that it will involve specific skills in coding and programming and machine learning. So this is why we are pushing on teaching these skills to the different generations, from middle schoolers all the way to professionals. And the other facet is that we are strong advocate of normalizing women presence in STEM careers and education, because in Kuwait and the Arab region in general, you see that we have more women in STEM careers, but women are still struggling in climbing up the career ladder and underrepresented in leadership roles. So what we're trying through this sort of activities is to acknowledge that women can be successful in STEM careers and education, and that it is a normal thing to have women in these circles. And we try not just to show, it's not just a showcasing effort or event, it is a necessary level of working together. So we like for these events to be a change in culture, like a first step to change what is the norm in the society, and to change the communal mindset to realize that women's success are actual and not an exception, and they are all over the place. So this is why we support this sort of activity, where we are bringing women, working with colleagues, men, on problems and projects to normalize the circle itself in STEM. And I wish you all the success in coming in your career, and thank you for really trying to be with us in this time, this difficult time.
Thank you, Dr. Layla, for your kind words. It's been also a pleasure for us to be to have you as a strategic partner, have CAFAS as a strategic partner for us. We'd like to move to Delight. Let's hear some words of encouragement from Mr. Tamer Sharif, partner at Deloitte Middle East.
Hello, hi everyone. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah. Yes.
Excellent. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants who have completed the full 2 days workshop, sacrificing their weekends in order to learn how to build a website from scratch. I think this is a testimony to the passion and to your determination into building an amazing career. I hope you were all able to learn few things that will benefit you on your journey to be the next generation creators. I also wanted to highlight that in Deloitte, we are after making an impact that matters. And in this digital era, I think you're at the heart of that, and you're at the heart of trying to make an impact that matters in our societies. I also would like to give my sincere appreciation to Dr. Zainab Al-Ma'raj and the whole team in the GDG and WTM in Kuwait for giving us the opportunity to be part of the International Women's Day 2020 event series. Communities do grow together by establishing collaborations to build a platform where all the members of the society can benefit and learn from the event, similar events such as this one. It was absolutely a great example to that. With that said, I wish you best of luck and keep up the passion, because this is the main driver of being the generation who will do a significant impact. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Tamer, for your kind words. We'd like to also hear some words of encouragement from Ms. Arwa Al-Jafir.
Hi, everyone. So I'm speaking right now on behalf of Mukankum as a sponsor. One of my greatest experiences with GDG and WTM is working with such a great group on such an event. I'm always having an aim personally to encourage women in specific to get into the tech. Myself, I'm not a developer or let's say computer science background. My background is actually business. I got into the field similar to you guys, starting from with a Django blog, and one thing led to another, and right now I have my own development company, which is Mukankum. It's being founded for 2 years almost. I've been developing for the past 3 years. I've grasped a lot of the concepts, and I've one of the things that's volunteering in such an initiatives and getting into the coding or getting into the development teaching process is another way of helping yourself actually to get a better developer. So I really encourage you guys to get into such initiatives, to take leads, and no one is perfect, that's for sure. And starting from there, take a step at a time, and you will help. We would like to build a healthy tech community within Kuwait, inshallah. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ira, for your kind words. It's been a pleasure having you as one of our instructors for the past 2 days. For the whole TA team and for all of us as instructors, it's been a pleasure as well. Thank you to Dr. Zainab for your efforts for organizing and such amazing events and taking the lead and initiative on such a big community in Kuwait. Thank you also for all of our strategic partners, KFAS, Al Ahli, United Bank, Deloitte, Munjiza, and Mukankum. We have a nice surprise for our participants. So whoever filled the survey that we've just mentioned, we got a raffle draw from our sponsors. And so let's see who got. 1 second. I'll share my screen for the raffle draw. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. Drum rolls, please. Congratulations, Mariam Al-Mahdi. We would like to congratulate you with a 50 KD voucher from AUB Bank. So thank you for attending our workshop for the past 2 days. Let's see our next winner. Congratulations, Sheikha Musa. You're our second winner of the raffle. You have won a new membership. So congratulations. Our team will contact you obviously for the details. So thank you. And our last winner. Congratulations, Mariam Ahmed. You have won with us and a tech gadget from Mechanical. So congratulations. Also, our team will contact you for your information. Thank you, everyone, for attending the past 2 days. It's been a pleasure for all of us. Thank you for our amazing TA team and our instructor team, also for the organizing team as well. Thank you all. Before we leave, we'd like to have a commemorative group picture. So if you, I'd like everyone to open their cameras. Our strategic partners, representatives, our TA team, our organizing team. We'll have a quick picture. So let's do that. Zainab, can you take the screenshot for us? Yeah. Okay. I'll stop screen sharing. Okay. Right. I hope everyone is ready. Oh, we're getting a lot of faces. I'm so happy to see that. Hope you all have enjoyed our session. All right. So, okay. Zainab, I think a lot of people are opening their cameras.
All right, say one more cheese, everyone. All right.
Right. I think we're done with the pictures. Are we? Yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone, for attending again. I understand the current situation that we all have been facing. It makes it harder for us to attend such activities and events. But thank God for the internet. And we'll continue to try and provide you with more events like that with amazing content from our amazing instructors and TAs. Thank you all.
Okay, if you have any words to share with us, then feel free to open your mic. It's open, but do take turns. So if you have something you'd like to say, well, we have still Dr. Layla's here, our Arwa is still here, and all of the rest of our speakers, then please go ahead. We'd love to hear from you and what your experience has been like.
I just wanted to mention one thing, that we're always looking for members like you to join our community. So if you want to be a member and a co-organizer, please feel free to talk to us. We would love to have a bigger group. So if you want to learn more, if you want to be with the recent technology, if you want to have fun and learn, this is the group where you should invest your free time in. So looking forward to see you all, inshallah, in our upcoming events, and see you members with us.
Yeah, if you'd like to have any comments, if you'd like to mention anything for us, we're always happy to hear from you. Any volunteers? We're getting a lot of comments in the comments section. It's been a pleasure for us to have you all. if you'd like to join our community, we're going to link you with the link for the Slack.
Yeah, I think we have a lot of bashful people tonight. Any of our team would like to share the perspectives first. So Siham, as a TA, Siham, would you like to have a few words and tell us what you learned, let's say, first of all, and then what you hope people try and learn in the next while?
Hi, everyone. I have learned a lot since I joined their team. I was there since like the beginning when they started for like, I think, past 2 years. So I would thank Dr. Zainab for giving me this opportunity. I have learned a lot. I have delivered my own workshops, you could say. And yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I would say one thing. I would highly encourage people to join. It might seem overwhelming at the start, like you wouldn't know how to, for example, organize your own event, but with the help and support of other TAs and other members of the team, you would be able to make it. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Siham. It's been a pleasure. So proud of what you've achieved so far. Okay, so we have a question about joining GDG as tech assistants. So the Google Developer Group organizers are not just tech assistants. So you join to help in the beginning, and then you slowly get coached to learn technologies and then help train other people on them. So it's sort of building yourself up, and that's what we try and do collectively together. So everybody on the team today has been coached to deliver this type of stuff. So we take leads in different events and walk with you until you're able to deliver content. So for example, we had Hunaid as one of our speakers today. It was his first time ever training and the first time ever training online. So this was a new experience for that member, and we hope that later he will be taking lead and delivering training on his own under our platform or any other platform he wants to do. Okay, any other questions? All right, Hayakum Allah, Diana, and everyone else who wrote, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out on Slack or email and we will get back to you. So I think we're good, Shuruk, to close.
Yep. I think that's the end of it. Again, it's been a pleasure. I hope all of you continue to grow and work harder on your skills. Thank you again for attending.
All right, everyone. I have to be the mean one and end meeting for all, which is not what I like to do because your faces are all up there and I miss you. But hope you have a safe drive home, Arwa, and thanks a lot for recording the session. Thank you all, TAs. So it was Mohammed Arfan, we have Rajneesh, I think he just left, Siham, Zainab, and Shuruq for all the steps you've done. And I know I put you on the spot, Shuruq, today. And
Okay.
it's a lot of learning, and it's good. It's good for you. So I'm glad you were able to enjoy doing that. So I'm very happy that you did it, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah,
So
I did. I just need more work on speeches.
So next time I'll hand the baton to you to put someone else on the spot.
We'll see.
Hamad Arfan, what was your experience like? You're muted.
Yeah, it was very nice, Doctor. First time, journey in this Google developer group, and I did my best, like, to work on this thing, and I hope maybe in future I'll do more contribution.
Yeah, we appreciate all your efforts.
And thanks everyone for the support.
It's great.
And particularly, it's particularly in this pandemic situation, like more than 60 to 70 members participated in through this. It's just like awesome. Yeah. Hope for the best. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks.
I'm glad. Well done on doing such a great job. All right then, so it's a call for the night. Everyone have a good dinner and good sleep, and see you soon.
Thank you.
Yes,
Everyone.
Thank you
So
all.
happy to
Bye.
have you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you all. We'll get together.
Inshallah, one day soon.
Inshallah, things will get better. Sure. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Bye.
Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.